Hello, welcome, my name is Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a short sound demo video and it's for this beautiful 18-inch buffalo skin drum. It's on an ashwood frame. I put some information on the inside of the frame and it is Driftwood Hollow Drums, which is my maker's mark. I put ash and buffalo, so you'll always remember that. And also birthed on the 9th of February 2023 in Knighton Palace, UK, and that's for all of you astrological buffs who like that information to be able to find out what energies were around when this drum was birthed. It's got a beautiful branch handle here which I've bound with wool and leather. It's laced with artificial sinew. So yeah, it's a very pretty drum. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firm beater. I'll start with a soft beater. You can have a listen to the sound. Here we go. Gorgeous. And then the firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope the video's helped. I hope it's helped you to make a more informed decision when you're buying online. It's very difficult. So yeah, I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.